It's your girl, Real Betty B. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, special welcome. And if you are yet to subscribe, please do well to subscribe. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make apricot and cherry smoothie. So guys, let's get started. For this smoothie, I'll be using cherry and apricot. The cherry will be more, reason being that it's the main fruit for the smoothie. Firstly, I'll take out the seed, and this is it. For watching, please give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, and remember to turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Until next time,